In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, saving on fees can significantly enhance your trading experience, and Binance offers a great way to do that with these vouchers. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. The first step is to go to Binance.com and log into your account. Make sure your login credentials are handy, and remember to enable any security features you have set up, like two-factor authentication. This ensures that your account remains secure while you access your rewards. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner, where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to drop down a menu, and from the options, select Rewards Hub. This hub is your gateway to a variety of rewards and incentives that Binance offers to its users. Inside the Rewards Hub, you'll want to look for the Reward Shop link. Clicking this link will take you to a section where you can view all sorts of bonuses and rebates available to you. It's like your personal store of financial perks. Now, to find your trading fee rebate voucher, you might need to scroll through different offers. Keep an eye out for anything labeled specifically as a trading fee rebate. The interface is user-friendly, but do take your time to ensure you're selecting the right voucher. Once you've identified your trading fee rebate voucher, the next step is to claim it. Some vouchers might even be automatically applied to your account, saving you a step. But if your voucher requires manual claiming, simply click the Claim button. This action activates the rebate and sets it ready for use. Now here's where the magic happens. When you proceed to trade on Binance, the system automatically applies that trading fee discount to eligible trades. You won't need to manually input it each time, making it a seamless experience. As you trade, you'll notice the savings accumulate, allowing you to keep more of your profits. And there you have it. Following these steps ensures that you're effectively using your trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage trading costs and maximize your earnings. Remember, these little savings add up over time, so be sure to check out other rewards and vouchers available in Binance's Reward Hub regularly. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and happy trading!